Voyage Through Cosmic Giants, the true scale of planets, stars, and galaxies. The universe has always been a place of wonder, a vast stage where everything we know, everything we imagine, and everything we hope to learn gathers in endless silence. When we look up at the night sky, it is easy to feel that the points of light seem similar, almost equal, but in truth, the cosmos is a world of extraordinary contrasts. Some worlds are small enough to cross in a single day of flight, while others stretch so far across space that even light, the fastest traveler in the universe, would take centuries to complete the journey. Tonight, I want to take you on a gentle exploration into one of the most fascinating aspects of astronomy, the incredible differences in size between planets, stars, and galaxies. This is not just a lesson in numbers. It is an invitation to imagine, to expand your sense of scale, and to discover how beautifully diverse the universe truly is. From tiny rocky worlds to massive suns and sprawling galaxies, every object plays a role in shaping the cosmic story that we are all a part of. We begin our journey with the planets of our own solar system, familiar companions that orbit the sun in peaceful order. Mercury, small and swift, could fit inside Jupiter more than 20,000 times if we counted by volume. Earth, our home, is modest in size compared to the giant planets, yet it holds oceans, mountains, and life itself. Jupiter and Saturn, the grand guardians of the solar system, are so huge that dozens of Earths could disappear into their clouds without filling them. But even the most massive planet is tiny next to a star. The sun, shining quietly over our days and nights, is so vast that 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside it. And yet, the sun is not a giant among stars, it is only average. There are stars so large that if placed at the center of our solar system, their surface would reach beyond the orbit of Jupiter. Beyond stars lie galaxies, immense islands of light that stretch across unimaginable distances. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, spans about 100,000 light-years. Some galaxies are even larger, containing trillions of stars and stretching several million light-years wide. If you enjoy journeys like this, adventures that help us understand the universe and ourselves, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this story. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to continue exploring the wonders of existence together. Tonight's story is only beginning. Let us go deeper into the cosmic ocean. As we continue our journey through the universe, imagine drifting slowly away from the familiar comfort of Earth, rising above the blue atmosphere until the oceans fade into soft swirls of white clouds and the continents turn into quiet shadows beneath the thin curve of the horizon. From this vantage point, our world looks peaceful, almost delicate, a small sphere carrying everything we know. Yet compared to the vast cosmic landscape, Earth is only one tiny step at the beginning of an incomprehensibly large path. Floating farther outward, we approach the first comparison in our exploration of cosmic size, the planets themselves. Mercury appears like a lonely wanderer, its surface scarred and ancient, its size so modest that it seems almost fragile. Venus follows, glowing softly beneath its thick golden clouds, nearly the same size as Earth but wrapped in an atmosphere so dense it hides its mysteries. Earth, though special to us, is modest in scale. And Mars, our neighbor, shrinks even more, a quiet desert world marked by canyons and mountains that dwarf our own, yet still smaller in diameter than Earth. Then, as if the solar system is preparing to astonish us, the rocky worlds give way to giants. Jupiter rises like an enormous guardian, swirling with storms that have been spinning for centuries. Its size is so immense that more than 11 Earths could line up across its diameter. And even that comparison does not fully express its scale. If Earth were a pebble, Jupiter would be a giant boulder towering above it, and Saturn would follow as another titan adorned with shimmering rings made of icy fragments reflecting the distant light of the sun. Past these giants lie the outer planets, Uranus with its pale, tilted glow and Neptune with its deep sapphire hue. Though smaller than Jupiter and Saturn, they still far surpass Earth in size. In this region of cold winds and soft light, distances stretch and scale grows until the planets become stepping stones toward far greater wonders. But even the largest planet is minuscule when placed beside its star. The sun, steady and radiant, offers warmth and light to every planet, moon, and drifting piece of dust in the solar system. with a diameter of 1.39 million kilometers. It is so vast that more than 100 Earths could line up across its glowing surface. Yet the Sun itself is just a middle-aged, average-sized star, one among hundreds of billions in our galaxy. Many stars in the universe defy comprehension in size. Supergiant stars stretching so wide that if placed where our Sun is now, they would extend beyond the orbit of Mars, some even reaching toward Jupiter. These colossal stars burn brightly, living brief but spectacular lives before ending in dramatic transformations that shape new solar systems. Their size is not merely a number. It is a force that bends space, sculpts galaxies, and creates elements essential for life. Compared to them, the Sun becomes a soft whisper in a choir of cosmic giants. Leaving the realm of stars, we move outward once more, and the scale expands in ways that challenge imagination. A galaxy is not just a cluster of stars, it is an entire city of light, filled with hundreds of billions of suns, planets, and nebulae. The Milky Way, our home, stretches about 100,000 light-years across, its spiral arms swirling gracefully like a cosmic dance frozen in time. Yet the Milky Way is only one of countless galaxies. Some are so large that they extend nearly 1,000,000 light-years from one end to the other. Others are small and irregular, like glowing clouds wandering through space. And beyond these are clusters of galaxies. Vast formations where hundreds or even thousands of galaxies gather under the pull of gravity, forming structures so immense that their size is expressed not in thousands, but in millions of light-years. In these depths of space, where galaxies drift and merge and reshape themselves over eons, the universe reveals its true scale. Every comparison we make becomes only a shadow of something larger. Every number becomes a doorway to impossibility. And in this journey, we realize that understanding size is not just about learning measurements, it is about expanding our perspective, stretching our thoughts until they reach beyond what we once believed to be the limits of imagination. The cosmos, vast and silent, is a reminder that even the smallest world has its place, and even the largest star is only one piece of an endless tapestry of wonder. As our journey nears its end, imagine drifting slowly through the night, leaving behind the great galaxies, the towering stars, and the swirling planets. The universe, with all its vastness, begins to fade into a gentle backdrop of distant light. Everything becomes calm, as if the cosmos itself is exhaling after millions of years of motion. In this peaceful moment, we look back at the magnificent scales we have explored, realizing how each size from the smallest planet to the largest galaxy plays a role in shaping the symphony of the universe. The beauty of cosmic size does not lie only in its enormity, but in its harmony. Tiny worlds orbit enormous suns, massive stars form within delicate clouds, and entire galaxies swirl like quiet storms across the silent sea of space. The universe teaches us that small things and great things coexist, complementing one another in an endless cycle of creation and transformation. This understanding gently reminds us that our own place in the cosmos, though small, is meaningful. We are observers, dreamers, storytellers, beings who can look at the night sky and feel connected to something infinitely larger. As the stars drift farther away in our imagination, we allow that sense of wonder to settle softly within us. It becomes a quiet comfort, a reminder that the universe is both grand and serene, both powerful and gentle. Its vastness does not diminish us. Instead, it invites us to dream, to expand our thoughts, and to appreciate the delicate moments of our own lives. Now, as the night deepens around us, let your thoughts become light. Release the weight of the day, let go of the noise, and allow yourself to enter a calm, peaceful state. The universe is vast, but tonight, it feels close enough to cradle your dreams and whisper quiet comfort into your heart. Thank you for sharing this journey among the stars. May the peace of the cosmos follow you into your sleep. Good night. May your dreams be gentle, deep, and filled with light.